Good morning, my dear students. So, in this particular lecture, we are going to solve practice set 5.1. Okay, we will be seeing some questions from the practice set. We have solved some examples regarding this particular practice set. Okay, the concept that we are going to use or the expansion formula that we are going to use in this particular practice set has been taught to you in the previous lecture. Okay, so we will be starting directly with sub question number 4. So we have to expand in bracket 13 plus x and into in another bracket 13 minus x. So here you can see binomials are given and the multiplication sign is there in between the binomials. Okay, so 13 plus x and 13 minus x. Now in this particular binomial, the terms of both the bracket are same. The only difference is between the operator. In the first bracket, the operator between the two terms is plus, addition sign, whereas in the other bracket minus sign is used. Okay, so we can solve this by using another expansion formula. Okay, we have studied that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here I will take 13 as my a, x is nothing but b, then again 13 is a and x is b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so how we can write this? I'm going to note down 13 plus x and 13 minus x. We can write this as equal to 13 square minus x square. What is the reason? We have written this by using a formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So what is 13 square? 13 square क्या है हमारा? It is 169 minus x square. So this is the required expansion for 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Okay. Now let us see the another sub question. Now let's see the sixth number sub question. Okay. We have to expand 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Okay. Now again, here you will see that the operator used is minus sign. Okay, in the first bracket minus sign is used, so I want the plus sign over here. Okay, so what I can do, I can write 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t is equals to 9x plus in bracket minus 5t bracket complete into 9x plus 3t. Now we have got 9x plus minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. Okay, here we can use the expansion formula, that is x plus a into x plus b. So 9x square, okay, the complete term will be under the square. Okay, 9x raised to square, that is plus then x 9x into a plus b. A is minus 5t, okay, and b is 3t. So we have got minus 5t plus 3t, okay, plus a into b. A is minus 5t into b is 3t. Okay, then we have got 9 square is 81 and x square, so 81 x square plus 9x. Now minus 5t plus 3t is nothing but minus 2t. Okay, minus 5t plus 3t क्या होगा? minus 2t होगा. Okay, 5 minus 3 क्या होता है? 2 होता है. Sign of bigger number minus sign. Okay, then यहाँ पे प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. 5 इंटू 3 क्या हो जाएगा? 15 और t इंटू t क्या हो जाएगा? t square. So what we have got? We have got the expansion as 81 x square plus into minus, minus 9 into 2 18 x into t xt, okay, minus 15t square. So what is the expansion of 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t? The expansion is 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. Okay, this is the expansion. Now the example number 8, we have to expand x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. Again, in this particular binomial, you can see the only difference in the bracket is that in the first bracket plus sign is used, in the second bracket minus sign is used between the two terms. Okay, so we can resemble this particular binomial as a plus b into a minus b. So we can use the expansion formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can easily write this as x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x is equals to, now this is my a, x is nothing but a, so x square minus sign as it is, 1 upon x is my b, so 1 upon x raised to square. Okay, so what I have got x square minus 1 upon x square. Okay, you can write up till here. Okay, this is also a correct answer, but if you want to simplify it, or if you want to just make a term in a single, if you want to make a single term, so what you can do, that x square into x square, that is x raised to 4, okay, minus 1 into 1 is 1, okay, upon x square into 1 is nothing but x square. So we have got x raised to 4 minus 1 upon x square. Okay, or else you can write up here. Okay, this is the required statement, but if you want to simplify it more, you can write like this. Okay, but I will suppose that keep the answer up till here only. So the expansion of x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x is x square minus 1 upon x square. Okay, now we will see one more sub question. Okay, that is sub question number 9. Okay, so what is the 9th sub question? It is 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. What is it? It is 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. Okay, now again here, as you can see, it is minus sign. What I will do, I will just take the plus sign over there. So how I can take it? 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y plus, in bracket, minus 9, bracket complete. Okay, now what we will do, we will take 1 upon y plus 4 and in bracket 1 upon y minus 9 is equals to 1 upon y plus 4 in bracket 1 upon y plus minus 9 bracket complete. Okay, now we can apply the expansion formula. So by that we can write 1 upon y square. Okay, अब इस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन में 1 अपॉन वाई क्या है हमारा x है, तो x का स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन वाई इंटू ए प्लस बी, ए क्या है हमारा 4 है, प्लस बी क्या है हमारा माइनस 9, तो माइनस 9. ओके, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट, प्लस ए इंटू बी, सो ए हमारा क्या है 4 है, और b क्या है हमारा -9. ओके, सो 1 अपॉन y का स्क्वायर, so 1 अपॉन y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन y एज इट इज इंटू 4 माइनस 9, 4 माइनस 9 क्या होगा -5 होगा. ओके, 9 माइनस 4 क्या होता है 5 होता है, साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर माइनस साइन. ओके, प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाएगा माइनस हो जाएगा, और 4 इंटू 9 क्या हो जाएगा 36. ओके, सो हमें क्या मिला एक्सपांशन 1 अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 5 अपॉन वाई माइनस 36. Okay, so this is the required expansion. The required expansion for 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9, that is 1 upon y square minus 5 upon 5 minus 36. Okay, so we have solved 4 sub questions, 4 expansion from practice set 5.1. Okay, the remaining sub questions are homework for you. Okay, so you have to complete the given solved examples and the homework. Okay, in the next lecture we will see the another type of expansion. Until then, goodbye.